welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to look at some blind bags I just discovered at the Dollar Tree. Yeah, so without further ado, let's take a look at them. I'm pretty sure you kind of guessed where this is headed. That's right, Bikini Bottom with SpongeBob SquarePants. I don't know his laugh. I think that was Peter Griffin. Sorry. There's 7 altogether. There's the Krabby Patty, the Krabby Fries, the SpongeBob Square Cans, the Plankton Dog, the Macaron Fred, the Sippin' Squidward, and the Goofy Goober Patrick. Now, I kind of cheated. I felt around. So hopefully, with all 7 of these that I have all 7 at once. So let's just double check. Opening up the first one. And we have the Goofy Goober Patrick. No, it's Patrick. He's got a snow cone. He looks like ice cream and he's covered in chocolate. Looks delicious. Second one we got is the Plankton Dog. Yummy. That's a weird texture for the bread. Let me tell you that. But yeah, kind of looks like a hot dog. All right. This one is the Krabby Fries. I wonder how much that cost him. It's even got the weird nose. That's just creepy. Alright. This one is the Krabby Patty. Imagination. That's actually really cool, not gonna lie. Reminds me of the burger mayor guy from McDonald's. This one is SpongeBob SquareCans. Kind of funny because it's not a square at all. Honestly, I thought this was more like a custard pie, but I gotta read better. Alright, 2 more. So far, so good. This is the Squidward, the Sippin' Squidward. I wonder what it tastes like. Does it taste like calamari? I don't know. Reminds me of Master Shake. Aqua Teen Hunger Force, by the way. And Frylot, I think his name is, or Frylot or something like that. And this one is Fred Macaroon. I take it that's the macaroon and that's Fred. That's cool. So I got all 7 of them. Of course, I had to spend about 10 minutes feeling around all the bags and reaching into the way back because these guys, there was only 2 of them in the entire box. So I'm not sure if that's the rarest one or not, but there was only 2 of them. There was tons of this guy and tons of this guy. Alrighty, but that's all 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, see 7. Alrighty, I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys can find these at your Dollar Tree. But until then, peace out, like and subscribe. And remember, F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anytime, anywhere at all. Oh, here in the deep blue sea. Yeah! Peace.